Welcome, here I've got REALME 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons in this device are here, so let me try to tap on this now to see how it works with the camera. As you can see now, by tapping on the volume buttons, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this, we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this one from the right, so we can open the advanced camera settings. The volume button option is at the first place here, so when we pick this, we can pick from volume, shutter, which is now, or zoom. For now, let me change this to zoom to show you how it works different. Let's go back to the camera, and now let me try to tap on these buttons once again. And as you can see, by using this one, I can get closer to my subject, so I can use zoom, and by using the second one, I can go back easily. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.